Hello there, this is Flow Strategic AI. What if you could fire your entire social media team today and actually increase the quality and volume of your inbound marketing? I built an autonomous AI system that does exactly that. Right now, most founders, entrepreneurs, or anyone starting a business, they do marketing by throwing money at it, or they hire social media managers, pay them almost $4,000 a month, and wait days for a few posts. Or worse, they try to do it themselves, and they post inconsistently. This is an enormous waste of capital and time. So I solved this problem by building this workflow. Here is the exact autonomous system I built to replace my marketing department. I'll show you step by step. So the first step is the discovery. So let me just scroll to the left so that you can see the beginning of this workflow. So right now on your screen, this is make.com. This is an automation platform called make.com, and these round things are called modules or nodes. So let me zoom in. I believe now you can see well. So the first step is the discovery. Every single day, the system automatically scours the live web to find the top 20 most recent groundbreaking developments in workflow automation. So the first module sets the topic which will be searched for by the Make AI web search module. So for me, it is workflow automation because that is the service that I sell. If you want me to do any automation services for you, just email me at flowstrategicai@gmail.com. So that is the service that I'm promoting through this automation. As you can see from the title, it is full final social media manager for workflow automation, inbound marketing. It's my inbound marketing strategy to sell my workflow automation service. So as I've said, the first step filters out the noise and ranks them. So next, which is step 2, it passes the best data to a custom Gemini AI module. The AI acts as a world-class strategist. It extracts the top 20 stories, identifies a practical hack, and pulls out a mind-bending industry fact. That is the work of this Google Gemini AI. So it outputs the data in JSON. Let me just scroll to the right. The reason for this is because we are dealing with lists. Because we have generated a list of content for the different platforms. Therefore, we have to use a JSON and also an iterator to go over every item in that list. The list is just the different content in the social media platforms. So after that, we have the router. Let's go to step 3, the multi-platform generator. The system doesn't just write a summary, it acts as a full content team, simultaneously generating 4 unique posts tailored for X, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Every post is engineered with a scroll-stopping hook, undeniable evidence, a relief analogy, and a strict boundary on why not automating is costing businesses money. So these are the different platforms. As you can see, the second one is Facebook, the third one is LinkedIn, and the fourth one is Instagram. The first one is X. Let me just scroll upwards a little bit. So as you see, the first one is X. So let me zoom out. Now, in the first route, which is the X platform, there are 2 AI modules. It rewrites the draft into 5 distinct high-performing variations, from the contrarian to the hard truth, etc, etc. Now after the first AI module in this X route is another second one. Now this one is the chief quality gate. It analyzes those 5 drafts or those 5 variations from the first the first subagent, and it chooses the best one out of those 5, and it passes it to a Gmail module. The reason why I have not sent it directly to the X platform because X have disabled their APIs. APIs just means application programming interface. It is how different platforms communicate with each other. So for X, they are not a team player. So they have disabled a lot of their APIs, and so it's difficult. They have made it extremely difficult to automate to X. So I decided to use an alternative, a different solution. And for me, the solution was to send it over to Gmail so that I can copy paste directly from Gmail to X. And this also has an advantage is because you are in full control of what you post in X. So it has one upside. Although now you have to put in some effort to copy paste. But the other platforms go directly to the platform itself. So the second one is for Facebook. The sub-agent optimizes the content for Facebook and it directly posts it to Facebook, to my Facebook page. This is a user text. This one sends in the content in form of text. The third one is LinkedIn. So the sub-agent optimizes the content for LinkedIn and it posts it directly to my LinkedIn page in form of text as well. Now for Instagram is pretty elaborate. As you can see, it's a long chain of modules, because for Instagram I'm dealing with two kinds of posts. One is a carousel, another one is a single image post. Let me show you. Let me go to Instagram so that you can see what I mean. So right now I'm on my Instagram page. This first post is a carousel, as you can see from this icon at the top right. It means there are multiple images inside that post. A carousel just means it's a group of images. So as you can see in this post, when I click on this arrow, I get different images, as you can see. Now, that is a carousel. So let me go backwards. So these are single posts. This is a single image post. It's not a group of images. As well, also this one. Now this is another carousel. And the marker is this top right icon. So there is a group of images in this post, as you can see. This is another carousel. As you can see, these images are generated by AI. The last one is it's promoting my service, and this is the caption. So let me just click on one single image post. So these two here are single images. It's just one image. This right now is a single image post. There is no other image inside this post. It's only one image. So this is the other type of post on Instagram, and this is the caption. And I hope you have noticed that all the captions end with comment automate to get my automation services. This right here. Now this is also another single image post. And as you can see, another thing I hope you notice is that the single image post has my logo, and some of my details. That's why it is also very elaborate. The Instagram route is very long to design the image, because the generator does not design the text on the image. So let me go back to make.com. Inside this fourth route, which is the last route, which is the Instagram route, there is the first sub-agent. This one, its work is to generate the image prompts of the carousel, which are 5 images prompt. It also generates the caption, which goes alongside the post, and also it generates the hashtags. So all that goes into the carousel route, which is the first route inside the Instagram route. So on this top route, this is the carousel. So because we are dealing with lists, we also have to include a JSON and an iterator to extract each item in that list of image prompts, and then we feed it to the Hugging Face module, which generates the images, and then we upload the images using this image BB so that it can be gotten by the Instagram module. Now this is the carousel. So in the second route, inside the Instagram route, this is where now it is very long. So these are the single image posts. These first two modules, AI modules, are for generating the image prompts. Now, technically, I could have just used one, but I decided what the hell, because it is free. So let me just go with 2 different image prompts. I could have used one, but it's okay. There's no problem if you use 2. So there are 2 separate image prompts. So the first image prompt goes to this image generator. The second image prompt goes to this other image generator. So these are the Hugging Face image generators. So they upload their images with these image BB modules, these 2 ones. I hope you have noticed something here. there is a chain or a pattern. Each output of a module is routed to a corresponding module. So for example, this info output from this module is routed to this Hugging Face module, to this IBB module, to this Gemini module, to this API template module, and to this Instagram, and to this HTTP, and to this Facebook. So in Facebook, let me quickly say why Facebook is also here. There are also two kinds of posts in Facebook. There is the text post. Let me just quickly show you. Here in this page, I have the text posts, and also there is the image posts. In this Facebook page, I only post text posts. That is, the output is in form of text. So as you can see, my last post was 16 hours ago, published by Meg, and as you can see, it is just letters and words. So in my second Facebook account, there are image posts. So let me just show you. Let me scroll downwards. So as you can see, this one has only images, and the last image was also 16 hours ago. It was also published by Meg. As you can see, this is the last image. So that's why I've included Facebook inside that Instagram route. So this one posts only images to Instagram and Facebook. So that is how the system works. So let me run the system, and you can see the output. So as you have seen from my Facebook pages, the last content I published was 16 hours ago. This is the before and after. This is the before I run the scenario, and after we shall see. As you have seen from my other Facebook page, this is the last image. There's no other image after this, which was also 16 hours ago. So for my LinkedIn, the before we run the scenario, it looks like this. As you can see, this is also 16 hours ago, because I ran the scenario 16 hours ago, and this is the last post. This is the before, and for Instagram, I'm sure you have also seen it. So this is the last image. As you can see, this image is also similar to the one on Facebook, and it was published also 16 hours ago. So now let me run the scenario. Before I run the scenario, let me show you quickly my inbox. This is where I will receive the X post or the Twitter post. So this is the last email that I got. Above this email, I expect to see the X tweets. So now let me run the scenario. Are you ready and excited to see the scenario run live just in front of your eyes? So count down with me. Cross your fingers and let's go. 3, 2, 1. Run once. So I've clicked on run once. Let us see the scenario run live in front of our eyes. And I shall reload the social media platforms, and we shall see the posts that it has generated. So right now the scenario is running live. Currently, it seems that the automation is stuck in the Hugging Face module for the image generation for the carousel. So let us see some of the results, because it has already posted to my Gmail and also to LinkedIn. So let us see these two platforms. So let us start with my Gmail so that we can see the X posts. And as you can see, this is the new email that I've gotten. Let me click on it. As you can see, the subject is go ahead and copy paste any of the following to X or Twitter. Let it open so that you can see the email in full. So this is the email. Go ahead and copy paste any of the following to X or Twitter. So I can read the tweets and then I copy paste any of them. So the first one is this one. Let me not go with it. Let me scroll downwards and I see the other ones. The second one, they are separated by 3 dashes. But there is this last one here, which is not separated by a dash. This one is the one that I chose. So let me just go with it. So let me copy paste it. So let me select it and then I Control C. Now that I have the tweet, I don't need this Gmail tab opened anymore. So let me just close this Gmail tab. We go to the X. We go to the Facebook tab. Let me first of all go to LinkedIn because I'm sure that one has completed. And let me reload. As you can see, the before was 16 hours ago. Let me reload the website. It is still reloading. And let me just reload the Facebook one so that maybe it has posted and I don't know. Maybe it is the make.com website which is stuck. So let me just reload the Facebook page so that I can confirm. You know, when you're running this big automation and you have all the social media tabs opened, it takes a lot of the CPU from the computer. So let me just bear with it. The website for LinkedIn has finished reloading, and I want you to notice a trend here that every post will end with comment automate to get automation services. This isn't just a content generator, this is a lead generation machine. So let us see the post it has automated. So this is the post, this is the LinkedIn post which was 12 minutes ago. As that post is opening up, let me see the Facebook. And before even I see the Facebook and as the other websites reload, let us see how the automation has gone. As you can see, the automation has finished running because this icon has changed from stop to run once. It has changed from red. So let us see the other websites. They have also finished reloading. So the Facebook for the text post has finished. As you can see, this is the post it has posted 8 minutes ago. As you can see, it ends with comment automate to get automation services. This is the common trend because this is a lead generation system. It's not just a content system, it is also a lead generation system. As you can see, for my other website, for my other Facebook page, it has also finished. This is the image it has generated and it has posted. It's a nice image. Let the second image load. And for the Instagram, let us see. It is still loading. Yes, down this is the Instagram. These are the two images. As you can see, it is similar for the Facebook one. As you can see, this is the second image and this is the carousel. So those are the results for now. This is the full LinkedIn post. As you can see, it's promoting me and it has ended with comment automate to get automation services. These are the hashtags. Now this is the full post. It already has 1 like, so let me give it a second like. And it also has 7 impressions. As you can see, this is working. I'm getting impressions and I'm getting likes. And the other ones also have impressions, but I will not go to them right now. So we have seen that post. For Instagram, we have seen it as well. So let me close those tabs. For Facebook, we have also seen this one. The second image, we have also seen it on Instagram. So it does not need to finish, it is the same. And for the text post, we have also seen it. So let me just close this tab as well. And that is it. So to get this automation service, just comment automate or link me up on my Gmail, which is flowstrategic@gmail.com. Goodbye for now. See you in the next video.